Managing a hotel requires constant attention. Every detail matters to deliver an impeccable guest experience. Over time, certain areas need renovation to meet your guests' expectations. Renovating a hotel can be challenging. Construction noise, temporarily closed rooms, disruptions for guests.
To address these constraints, we have developed a network of partners specialized in hotel renovations. Professionals capable of coordinating every stage of the project while respecting your hotel's operations. Full or partial renovation, professional painting, decorative finishes, ceiling renovation, and wall coverings refurbishment. Installation and renovation of solid or engineered wood flooring, as well as durable coverings for high traffic areas. Complete renovation, modern showers, fixtures, wall tiling, and space optimization. Kitchen installation, custom carpentry, electrical work, and plumbing. Exterior work, facade renovation, and structural maintenance. Each project is carefully planned to minimize disruptions. Work can be organized by zones or floors to keep most of the hotel operational.
Our goal: to renovate your property while continuing to welcome your guests under the best possible conditions.
We also provide regular monitoring and site reports so you can track progress in real time, even remotely.
Contact us today to plan your renovations and offer your guests the comfort they deserve.
www.genevalakerelocation.com. info@genevalakerelocation.com